Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a search bar that is crashing or not responding. This guide provides quick solutions to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. And now, let's get started. Let's begin with first method. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. At the top, choose Run New Task and type services.msc. Make sure to check Create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. In the Services window, find Windows Search. Double-click it, then click Stop and Start to restart the service. Set the startup type to automatic for added stability. Then click Apply and OK. Check if the search bar is now working. If first method doesn't help, try this method. Right-click on the Start button and select Terminal Admin. Copy the command that I will leave in the video description. Paste it into the PowerShell window using Ctrl+V or by right-clicking, and then press Enter to re-register the search app and fix any configuration issues. I hope you found the video helpful. Please like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.